In this lesson, we're going to learn about the Curvature Pen Tool, sort of a modification from working with the regular selection tool, and for some of you, this may be your pen tool of choice. So what we're going to do is draw out this nice little cloud, which has a combination of curves and also corners all built into it. So you kind of get a 2-for-1. So let me just kind of show you and also kind of narrate what we're going to be doing as we do it to kind of draw this out. So very simply, I'm going to come over here to my curvature tool. I choose that. And then what I'm going to do is just simply click once here. And now I'm going to come to the center of this and click again. And automatically it starts to curve. Do you see that? Not a whole lot happens there. It just knows it's supposed to curve based off of kind of where I'm placing the mouse. Okay. Now, when I'm going to get to a corner like this is when I double click. And that is very important here. I double click so that anchors there, but then when I come to here, I'm going to click again. And now watch what happens now to that straight line as I move to this side here. I didn't double click on that curve. I just simply clicked. Here I'm going to double click. So every time you're kind of at like a little corner there, right, when it kind of couches in, then you double click. Here, regular click. And it looks like it's going to go straight until I move my mouse and I double click, come over to here, single click, but wait, what happens when I move this? I'm going to come over, notice how it's curving, right? And I'm going to double click again because I want this to be a straight line. Come over to here, right? And I'm going to double click again. And now come over to here, single click. See this? And now watch this. I come over to here and this is the end. So as I double click and now that completes it. Okay. So it's essentially, is it a curve? Just simply do a click, move your mouse. It's going to create the curve for you. But when you're ready to sort of like mount it or root it down into a corner, then you double click. All right. So now let's go ahead and see what we can do with this guy here. Let's just maybe choose kind of like fun little cloud, just like that. That's great. Okay. And I'm going to remove my strokes, bring that down to 0 this time. And you can see now you've got kind of a cool little logo there. Okay, or maybe this is for iCloud or anything like that. You can see this is just a perfect, nice little cloud. We're going to learn about gradients in a little bit. Maybe you want to change the color of it, but notice how easy it was to draw out something pretty complex and nice looking and very compelling with just one tool. And really that should take you about a minute. All right, so, but practice that because there is some nuance to it, clicking or double clicking, but the more you do it, the more you will intuitively get it. Okay, so we'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.